Quick steps towards success in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a lot more than just joining an affiliate program. It is truly a business move that requires planning and patience. It has so many techniques and products that require research, hard work, and patience. Do you have what it takes? Regardless of your answer, here are some tips to help you. Many people overlook the power of the blog. Blogs aren't just for trading recipes anymore. They are an active and vital marketing tool that can reap great rewards for those who use them. By engaging your potential customers, you can show yourself as a knowledgeable seller who realizes the value of the consumer. When joining an affiliate marketing program, make sure the company that makes the product you're promoting is legitimate. One way to tell the legitimacy of a company is by the terms of their return policy and how well they honor that policy. Being connected with a reputable company will boost your credibility, being connected to a shady company will hurt it. When choosing which companies to align yourself with in affiliate marketing, choose companies that sell products your visitors are interested in purchasing. You earn more money when users click on or purchase products using your affiliate links, so it makes sense to choose things that are likely to interest your website visitors. When trying to get ahead in affiliate marketing, it's a good idea to use some type of time management software to assist you. By using software to help you, you can set start dates, time yourself, and keep better track of what you're doing. Software makes it easy to streamline the process, and keeping track of time helps you stay on task. Now you see that affiliate marketing is a lot more than just joining any affiliate program that you find. It takes planning and hard work. You don't want to join a poor program, so why not take some time to learn how to do it right? The above tips should have given you some advice on how to do that. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.